Energy that makes the world work. Technology that's making energy. Safety of equipment that realizes the technology. The company that leads global energy development through the oil field equipment with innovative technology. It is SMI. We, SMI, that acknowledge the technology from overseas and domestic through the development and products of oil field and motor parts, has accomplished the brilliant growth as a global company exporting the oil field development equipment around the world. Business policy that, with enhanced quality and keep the fixed date, is connected to our quality policy that puts customer satisfaction as our first priority and aims the supreme quality, so that SMI has been a trustworthy company that realizes the 0% of customer complaint and offers not only the best items, but confidence. Since the establishment of SMI in 1998, SMI has accomplished the brilliant growth through the constant development of technology and expansion of production lines. SMI's ability to produce and offer of oil field equipment with one-stop production system that manage overall product lines, such as the raw material, design, machining, test, and completed items, and it shows SMI's future. SMI that has been growing up on our slogan, with challenge and innovation to the world and future, suggests differentiated business strategy to build up a leading company in the world. Satisfying customers' requirements, SMI takes a competitive advantages and using in-house design capacity meets the variety customers' requirements. With increase of production through the manufacturing system upgrade and laborers' efforts, SMI realizes cost reduction and takes a competitive advantages for this global age. Setting direct export lines, SMI implements the Blue Ocean strategy, exporting our items that assured quality and taken price competitive to the oil-producing countries. The category of SMI products contains high-pressure valves and flow line items for export and motor parts for domestic. All items are forged, which consisted of stainless and alloy steel, so that they shows high-end safety performance on high-pressure circumstance. Manifolds are consisted of elbow, fittings, and choke valve assembly, and SMI designs manifolds as customers' requirements, so that offers our customers diversity. Plug valves are usable on 10,000 psi to 15,000 psi pressure circumstance, and works for standard service and sour gas service. Choke valves are usable on 15,000 psi pressure circumstance, and works for standard service and sour gas service. Hammer unions are produced with proper forging materials for each pressures and assured uniform quality. Besides, SMI designs and produces many items for oil field equipment, such as adapters, crossovers, steel hose, hump joint, swivel joint, and so forth. The know-hows from producing of industrial motor parts that have been supplied to well-known companies such as Hyundai Heavy Industry and Hyosung Heavy Industry are equal to SMI's history. Based on the know-hows, we will do all our efforts to supply better items continually. All products that manufactured from SMI are developed and produced in-house capacity. We are doing our best to keep promises to customers, minimizing faulty that might be occurred, and being equipped for producing and maintenance simultaneously. Also, SMI educates all employees in safety and equipment operating, so that employees can work in safe environment and their equipment operating skill has been improved. It shows SMI's human-centered philosophy that regards human ability more than equipment superiority. SMI knows only the technology development and quality innovation that must not remain now can build up a better future. So founded exclusive division for technology and experiment, SMI has investigated the way of overseas market occupation through the self-development of material control system with quality management division. As the result of these efforts, our sales has been growing up and company's volume and the number of employees has been increased. We know a company is not operated by a man. In SMI, we work together, not a vertical relationship, but horizontal relationship, because we know that can be developed when we respect and understand each other in a harmonious mood. Human-centered company SMI has done all its efforts to give customers trust and impression. In the future, showing our growing business, we will continually do our best to give all customers the best quality products and faith. Number 1 global company of motor parts and oil field equipment. It is SMI.